Ahoy! It is a fun video that I don't know if I can ask up or not. We'll see. Okay. But it's from the DaVinci Dungeon Zine from Twitter. I'll have the exact handle on the screen somewhere, so you know what you guys about. I don't know that they'll have like pre-orders or like orders that you can still buy from them, but maybe you can get your hand on them. So a Zine is where a artist, a collection of artists come together to make an art book. But this one is a little bit unique, which is why I got it, because they collaborate with people who cook, the editors and artists together. So they, like, some people made the recipes, other people drew the food, yada yada. I'm quite excited. So let's get going. And here is the one sticker. I forgot which one I got, if I'm being honest. But like, look at it, it's a rainbow. Look at the holographic. I'm probably gonna go cut it off somehow. Look at it. There you go. And inside is DunMeshi inside. I thought the box is super duper cute. Look at that. And they say thank you, sharpening your blade, fire up your oven. This dungeon just teaming with monsters. Need treasure hiding in what they cook monsters. Isn't that so good? Oh yeah, that's their handle name. DunMeshi Zine. Toy, self-ability toy. There you go. And I don't remember, I got post-it notes. Super duper cute. Look at them. I don't know if we're gonna use them. I feel like I would be like too hesitant to use them. And here some cute keychains. And I think they have, no they don't, a size of dungeon life. Really cute. And think, did it have anything? No, nothing in the back for this. And yeah, another keychain right here with the mushroom chug and more mushroom. Adventure kebab. Look at that. Keido. Hello. And this is Washi tape. Oh, hold it upside down. Here you go. Chug. See, Marcel. Who else did I see? I think. What is that? Food? Oh, that's like the, I think that's the green thing that you get, what it's called. Not the one, it's the daikon. Look at that! I don't know what this is. I want to see if I can open this without whipping it. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna go get my knife. And by knife, I have this knife. Let me see if I can open it without it whipping entirely. There we go, look at that. Clean. There we go. Let's see what is inside. And it's getting like, holy cow, they put so much in here. That's it? Okay. I'm gonna put this back in here. I got stickers, proper size. Joke, is like, no, I'm not having it. Then let's see. Balanced diet with Rouse and Falling. Marcel, a whaler with them. Aw, so cute. With Ichibi? Not sure if I'm pronouncing the name right. Ooh, this is the lithograph. I think, not lithograph? I forgot what it's called. Nino cut? No. I don't know English. So look at that, the dancing. I don't see. Little bunnies. Oh my gosh, I can look at that all day. Right? She has cooking dungeon. Thank you for your support. Aw, I like it. I really like the graphic design behind this. It's super cute. Ooh, this is cool. Oh, I like this. It's just like a clear thingy. Plastic. I don't know what I do with it. Maybe I can do stuff like this. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, done. Oh, I can put my own recipe. I can put like my own recipe down here. Oh wait, what is this? Whoa, this is really cool. Is this a sticker? It looks like stickers. Yeah, these are stickers. Holy cow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's so cool. I'm in love with all of this. I'm so happy I decided to support them. I think I supported them like last year. Oh. I forgot this guy's name, but he's like, I gotta be friends with Laos. Trying to be friends with him because he wants to take advantage of his kindness. And Mithun does not care. He doesn't care about food, but he's like, I will suck it up. And they're so happy. So this side, they don't know how to cook. This side, they do know how to cook because they had Senji. Good old Senshi. Whoa, 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 this is so cool. This is like, oh my god, this is like wallpapers. What the heck? Wow, look at that. Incredible. Here's more. So this is when they're in the dungeon, look, with the Kraken. I remember that. That's so cool. Oh, this was when the Gleaming Mandrake. Magic? I think? I forgot the name. Wait, let me look at this one again. Where was this? This was, oh, from the city where, they make, where they, a big thing happened where they was a, I don't know, is this spoilers? I'm not sure. Probably a spoiler, sorry. Ooh, so they have a very fancy sticker sheet. Like a peel here, which I don't really want to be. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, you see, Marshall family, the wizard and what's his face, the king, Laos. Oh, the Shrill. Oh, sorry, the Shrill. That's from the oh my gosh, the birds. I forgot what the names are called. Valkyrie. There we go. Like, oh my god, the dwarves together. Senshi. Batman? What? Fake name, a fake name. Okay, Acquisition services. What did it say? Totally vegetable and totally. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. You can tell that the people have read the comic, aka the manga. Oh my gosh, the Lost Smithy. That's so cute. Tim's and daughter. That's so cute. Sisters, oh my god, I forgot that person design is so cool. Twin rabbit curry house. Okay, I really don't remember anything about the rabbits. I feel like I should just reread it, and here is the artbook. And it's like a hardcover. I don't know, that's like a certain edition you have to buy. I guess I bought the hardcover if there was an option. So what do we have? We have Senshi, Marshall, Silk Shirt. Well, so let's see. Are there anybody particular hands? I'm not really sure. I don't think it is anybody's hands, but it's so cool. And these are just the hands. Wait. Oh, I like that. The perspective. Let's see. Okay, that's Senshi hand. Yeah, that's Senshi's beard. This is Silk Shirt. This looks like a Marshall hand just because. And it looks really dainty. I was not. No. Wow. I don't want to accidentally like whip the pages because I would be so sad. I'm not going to showcase the whole book because that would really defeat the purpose of people buying it. Now I want other people to buy it. Because this makes me incredibly happy because oh my gosh, hit my tripod. My bad. Let me just fix that a little bit. Okay. But no, yes, that would defeat the purpose of people buying the book and supporting it. Oh my gosh, you can see the food. The bugs, the bread, the mushroom, and more bugs. I don't really remember what that was from. It might be the pumpkin up here. Yeah, I want to reread this again. I know they have like a. Oh, I can just put this out right now. I know they have a box, a manga box set, which I do want to play by side. I'm playing too much Monster Hunter. All I think about is playing. Ooh, okay, there we go. Yeah, it's like glossy coating on it. See your hearts. It's copyright 2024. Please support them. Multitude, the dungeon ahead. A lot of text here, which I'll read later. Oh, the keyboard content. 41, 42, Oh, that's so cool. So they divide into different floors. This is the entire, oh my gosh, this is the entire manga series. So this is definitely going to be having spoilers. So, I don't know how much of a spoiler it would be because it has, the food in it, but I don't think it really would mention too much. Yeah, I don't think it does. It has like all the vegetarians here. So like it has vegetarian, vegan, pescatarian, kosher. It's just different types of dietary restrictions. Oh my gosh, they have like photographers. Wow. Yeah, I did apply, but this was before when I was like had a big get up. I was still very much a newbie Like, I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Wow, you can tell like these people really like, oh my god, isn't it so cute? I always took a photo of like the mushroom surrounding. I don't know what that is. It looks good. I definitely want to try to make one of these one day. Oh yeah, they have like different types of specialty cookware. Okay. Oh, the cookware. Oh my god, they do the little illustrations. And suddenly there. Yeah, please check out all the others to tell you how they make it. Oh my god. Yeah, only one more. Oh, this is the continue on the instruction test done. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, one too, which is right here. That's so smart that they did that. You know what? I understand why like artists, especially with like official merchandise art, we use the artwork. It's a lot easier to create a whole new art piece for like a smaller merchandise. So if you didn't want to buy the book or couldn't afford, but you wanted to like, support them, or if you just really prefer like a big giant non-poster card, which I don't know the dimensions of it, you can just buy one. It is incredible. I love this. If an opportunity ever arises with like another creative design, I would love to join. But first I need to like get my work there. Wow, this is so cool. Wow, oh my god. The slime, right? Is that the slime? Yeah. Oh my gosh, okay. This is gonna be the last of the page. Please check the others out. They're amazing. Everybody who has contributed to this book. I wonder if the colors are in the back. That's usually where the copyright page is. Yes, there is. Okay. Let's look for the credit page. Yes, please be sure to check out all of the artists, cover artists, chefs. So these are the people that contribute into making the food. And I guess making sure it's actually edible. Bread artists, I'm assuming those are the artists that did like the double page, just like the postcard, long postcard, like that for example. Collaborated artists, so I'm assuming that's when some artists just contribute, not as big maybe? I'm not entirely sure. I don't want to bend the pages, okay. Page artists, so maybe they contribute with some of the graphic design. Oh my god, I really like the credit page spread, maybe because I'm going for graphic design, so I'm observing it. Writers, merch artists. Oh, these are the artists that did like, I guess, the keychains and stickers. They did a good job. They're high quality. Oh, here we go, so you can see the credit. I have this one and the little dancer bunny. Do I have that? Which one? I think I do. And you did? Yeah, the acrylic sign with the artist here. Very cute. Oh my gosh, the little mushroom. Oh, that's the washi tape. Oh, that's super cute. I don't think, is this the one I got? I think it's different washi tape. Unless that's the only, no, I think that one I got, okay. And then coasters. Oh, the coasters are super cute. I got the cute mumble pan. Oh yeah, they did have an apron. I didn't get the apron. I did get the DaVinci. Pot holders. Die cut in clear card. I did get the die cut. They're like holographic magnet sets to put on your wall. These are super cute acrylic charm and the princess. Oh, here we go. View but artist for social media. There you go. See, big cast of beauty. Yeah, let's see. There should be one more page for credits. Here we go. And here are the modelers that I'm pretty sure they all had planned out and made sure everybody was working together on time in a timely manner. Here we go. Cool. CY, J, Gab, Cats, and Shoe. There you go. Those are all the credits. Honestly, I am quite happy with this purchase. It took about a year, I think. I forgot, but it took a while, but it was worth it in the waiting at the end. And I had so many goodies now. Wow. Maybe I'll get into my other ones that like Delicious and Dungeon as well. Thanks for watching. Please check them out. I'll put the link on this in below, so you guys check it out. Pretty sure you can order it. I can totally be wrong. If not, you can check out the website, the social media, to check out all the other artists that I presented. Yeah. Bye bye.